had like 3 days of absolutely beautiful, beautiful weather. Jake and I are just soaking in the sun as much as we can and recharging all of our batteries with solar and just internally. It just feels so good to be in the sun after not seeing it what feels like forever. Looking back on old videos from when Jake and I first got here and seeing how sunny and green it was, it feels like it was like forever ago, and it will never be green again. But looking forward to the flowers and our garden and fruit trees and all of that. And last night, Jake and I heard frogs. Yeah, our frogs are coming back and we can hear them. They are so loud. It is truly a wonderful sound when you haven't heard it for so long and you're like, oh, frogs, I hear frogs. It's really cool. It's amazing how in tuned you can be when living off the grid, and the little things you notice and the little things that you hear and become aware of, and it's really powerful. I know this whole virus thing is going on, and it's a pretty weird time. I was just on the phone with my sister and I was just telling her, like, this is weird. This is so crazy that this is happening, and like, what is going on, And I mean, I don't have enough knowledge to speak about it. I'm in my own little bubble up here, and, I listen to the news and NPR and podcasts and stuff like that, and YouTube videos, and to kind of try to, stay up to speed with it. But oh my gosh, this is crazy. Very crazy time. I just hope everybody out there is just doing their best to stay as calm as they can and stay healthy and stay active inside your home and do yoga and, do some things to get your blood flowing. And so, but yeah, I mean, this is crazy insane. But anyway, I hope these videos bring you guys some joy and a little escape from your homes, wherever you are in the world. I really hope that I can bring you a little piece of the woods and the outdoors to your guys' home. And I'm currently walking right now with Kai, the main man. Meeting Jake down at the dock. Just gonna go surprise him and meet up with him and walk back up. It's again, very, very beautiful right now. I mean, blue skies, not a cloud in the sky, and you can just feel everything coming to life. It's really beautiful. Really looking forward to spring. Let me give you guys a little piece of the woods and the nature, and I hope you guys can breathe in the fresh air that I'm breathing, because it smells nice. And I hope you guys can feel the sun on your face and just really take it in. I love you guys, and stay safe, stay healthy. Yeah. way to celebrate the first day of spring than to garden. I said that really funny. All right, so this is the community garden that we have here in our awesome little community. It's a part of the school that is no longer in service or no longer in operation, I guess. It's not a school anymore, which is really unfortunate. There's just not enough kids to keep it going. But anyway, so Jake and I have these 2 beds right here. We had them last year as well. So today it's a beautiful sunny day and we're just gonna clean up these beds and get them ready. I don't think we're gonna plant anything today, but we're just gonna get them ready and get our hands dirty, which I'm really excited. So yeah, there's a lot of work to be done because last year was our first year here and we just kind of threw a bunch of stuff in there just to see what would happen, and so they're quite messy. So we have a big workload ahead of us.
All these roots come back from the base of the roots. So much easier to grow here in Arizona because
Okay, and just like that, the bed is done. There is some fresh compost on there that the garden provides. And I noticed going through my bed that my strawberries are coming back and they look beautiful. And I have this rhubarb right here that will be coming back. So that's exciting. I have all my herbs here that some of them look like they're coming back. Some of them, I'm not sure, but that's okay. Let me show you my strawberries. I just cleaned up around them. Here's all of the fresh compost, and then we have the strawberries along this side here and over there and all along here. Awesome. Then there is Jake's bed over there.